be back.
Yes, sir. Welcome to Maroon Talk, the only segment dedicated to anything and everything UP Fighting Maroons. I'm Lance, batch 2015, UP Manila, 2017, UP Diliman.
I'm Bea, batch 2010, UP Diliman, 2011, UP Manila.
And I'm Claire, batch 2018, UP Manila.
Yes, sir. Okay, ano bang game natin today? May game ba today? Parang wala naman. Ano to? UST versus UP, 70-81. Go Stay.
Ay, yung score na yun doesn't represent the whole game.
Yes, sir. Like, looking at the fight.
Ayun.
Yun na nga. Wala kayo nakita, guys. Wala kayo nakita. Ako tulungan.
O, sige.
Ayan, wala kayo nakita. Wala kayo nakita. Ano lang yan. Lumindo lang po. So yeah, the final score doesn't really reflect how the game really transpired for the most part. Na
Lamang ang UST mo for the most part.
First half. Parang never nag-lead UP ata. At most by 1 point.
Kahit sa first few seconds wala.
Yeah. Because UST drew first blood sa game na to, and talagang they maintained control for the first half at least. So yeah, like, I don't know, to start things off, medyo may napapansin din akong pattern. Parang same formula as nung game versus Adamson, na really slow start. Where you were giving up easy baskets in the paint for UST, especially kay Tungkara, na he really dominated the first quarter. I think he had 11 or 13 points there. And yeah, we weren't boxing out at all. Defense wasn't there. Parang, yeah, there was energy here and there, pero sobrang inconsistent, especially sa first half. And moving to the second half, ikaw muna, first half muna.
Major element absent si JD.
Yeah,
Sabi, under the weather. So,
get well soon, JD. Yeah, we missed you today. Yeah, I mean, syempre, magaling pa rin naman yung mga guards natin. Like,
pagpasok ni Terence.
Shoutout kina Terence, Jan, Raylan. Y'all really played well today. Pero yun nga, like, first game to, diba? Nawala si Maymay.
Oh.
First game without Maymay, and yeah, you like, kasi ako napansin ko lang din na man amongst boys na tong si Maymay sa UAP. Like, medyo hinog na siya pang pro, hopefully. Na you can ano bang tama there, may aura siya na iba sa mga top point guards that we have right now. And
hindi lang in comparison to the top point guards, in comparison to the JD sa previous seasons.
Yes.
Iba yung energy and yung peace na meron siya ngayon.
Like, no? Yeah, I agree na parang may sarili na siyang mundo in a good way. Na he's just playing ball, he's just enjoying himself out there. Na honestly, mako-compare ko siya sa yung vibe ni CJ nung last year. Na he's just doing his thing. He's gunning for the championship. He's just playing basketball, just doing the sport that he loves.
Masasabi mo ba na parang naliligaw yung team dahil wala si JD today?
Hindi naman sa ganun. Like, at the end of the day, kahit mawalan man tayo ng one or two players, hindi dapat mag-matter yun kasi team sport naman to pero like, yeah, you could say that na yung presence niya on the court, yung veteran presence that Maymay gives, they definitely missed that today. Pero ayun nga, at the end of the day, it's a 5-man game, 10-man game rather, and can't really pinpoint sa dahil lang walang one or two players na hindi naglaro. Can't really put the weight of it on that. So
totoo naman yan kasi although si JD ay running for the MVP race, for the past few games, siguro isang major na sasabihin natin, si Harold nga ay very consistent, nasa 15 or 16 yung points niya for the Adamson game, and today na I think major contribution for
14
sure.
14 and 16, yeah.
Yun mga ganun.
And a big thing, like, yung isa sa mga nag-contribute sa win natin today was yung veterans, yung third year, fourth year players natin na hindi na to bago sa kanila. Like, they don't feel that the pressure that they used to feel na, honestly, like I'm sure a lot of our viewers kinabahan din for the most part ng game na to na nung latter half of the fourth quarter dun lang tayo na like
Medyo
nag-pull away.
Medyo komportable kasi last 2 minutes hindi pa rin eh.
Like wait, before we get to that,
Sige,
last
sige.
2 minutes, nung bandang third quarter, syempre doon na yung nag-exchange na ng lead.
Yes.
Yung sabi ko kay Bea nun, kailangan nating mag-pull away na agad. Hindi pwedeng close game to come the last 4-3 minutes kasi wala yung main natin, go-to guy natin. Kabila, may Cabanyero, may Padrigaw. Mga taong ayaw mong may hawak ng
Totoo.
kung kalaban mo ayaw mo sila yung may hawak ng bola sa fourth quarter, lalo pag close game. Pag down 2, down 3, down up 2, up 3 ka, tapos kalaban mo ang may hawak si Fortsky.
Grabing dalang experience
Ayaw
ni
mo nun.
Fortsky, no?
Oo.
Coming from dalawang championship ba sa
2
Ateneo?
championships with Ateneo, went residency, then nag-UST, first year na sa UST ngayon. Na I'm pretty sure na ang dami niyang na-impart na knowledge sa scorers of UST, especially Nick. Na coming off of a season na si Nick lang yung
Reliable.
No hate. Pero para sa akin last year, si Nick lang talaga yung reliable
Totoo
scorer. Pero come this year na, yun nga, may Padrigaw ka na, may Paranada. Talagang huge you have Manaytay, sino pa? Sina Ice, Danding. Talagang UST is a different team right now, and
Totoo.
they showed it. They showed it for the
Ibang-iba.
most part of this game. Na, yun nga, at the end of the day, mas magaling pa rin UP. So, yeah, yan nga, sabi ko kay Bea nun, hindi natin pwedeng hayaan na close game pa rin to coming close to pag crunch time na, pag less than 5 minutes left. We don't want it to be a close game na. Fortunately, that's what happened na mga 5 minutes left, we were up 10-13 na.
Oo.
And ayun nga, like I said, kaya nga ayaw natin mangyari kasi kung panoorin nyo yung last 2 minutes nung biglang nagpe-press na ulit, nag-full court press na ulit yung UST. Ewan ko, parang nagulat yung boys nagulat yung UP na biglang, that was like 2 or 3 turnovers sa span na yun na nag-full court press sila na si Padrigaw made the 3 pero fortunately, di na sila nakashoot ulit after that. And I mean, ayoko rin namang not saying na this is the main reason, pero laking parang canon event din yung
Kay Tungkara.
yung na-injure si
Oo.
na Tungkara sprain his ankle early in the fourth, I think.
Doon bumagal yung game ng UST eh.
Parang for a span of 6-7 minutes nasa bench lang si Mo Tungkara, and buti na lang we were able to capitalize on that. Na yun nga, bumagal yung pace nila na subsequent na rin natin, na bumilis din yung pace natin.
Oo, nagpalit na. If I remember correctly, parang binabanggit nga ni Fame sa iba pang mga games ng UST na pag itong si Tungkara hindi nakakalaro ng maganda,
Pangit
bagsak
na yun.
ang buong game ng UST. Katulad nga nung nangyari sa few minutes na yun, na wala, carry over sa buong end.
Kitang-kita mo grabe yung confidence ni Mo nung first half
simula.
na pumapasok mga tira niya, napapasahan siya pag open siya sa ilalim.
Imagine, sa tres, napaka-confident.
Kaya you saw na first half, we really had a hard time no first half. Na yun nga, at the end of the day, it's a game about adjusting when you need to. And that's what we were able to do. Na nakapag-adjust tayo, especially come the second half. And yun nga, ako as a form of constructive criticism lang.
Yeah.
Grabe yung talent ng team natin. Pero yung talent na yun, kailangan tugma din yung energy. Hindi pwedeng, ito yung talent natin pero ganito yung energy natin. Matatalo tayo yun Kailangan talaga, we gotta utilize that talent we have.
Hindi pwedeng kumpiyansa din.
Talagang full head of steam agad from the start. Na again, can't be complacent kahit knowing how good we are. Na kahit natalo tayo sa finals last year, pa rin tayo, huge target on our backs pa rin na, yun nga, like we've been saying this past few seasons of episodes na hindi na to yung dark days ng UP. Bright days na to, literal.
Oo, sabi ko nga sa'yo kanina, ako, dati every game, pag nanonood akong UP, sure naman talo, parang ganyan.
ngayon,
Sobrang bonus na lang pag nanalo na nanood ako live. Pero ngayon, pagpasok ko ng Araneta, before pala pumasok, ang mga narinig ko, fans ng kalaban, sure naman, talo tayo, UP na yan eh. Ganyan.
ako akin lang naman, manalo matalo UP, panalo pa rin ako. O yan, natawag sa likod oh. Siya rin eh.
Kaya nga eh. Panalo pa sa panalo to eh. Okay.
Ayan, shoutout kina Tita Remy, kina Roma, kina Hannah.
Thank you sa
Ay po.
pa-picture.
Yes sir.
Thank you.
Ay,
Nasa
congrats pala. Graduate.
Oo nga pala. Shoutout po kay Tita Remy, proud nanay. Graduate po ang anak sa game
Pwede
na to.
mag-early out.
Medyo maaga na tapos trabaho ni Tita sa game na to.
Oo.
Medyo, kaya naman nag-follow out si Harold. Mga 3 minutes left, 4 minutes left.
Oo. Pero happy si Tita Remy ah. Gumanon
Yes, sir.
siya.
Oh,
Nung gumanon.
maganda yung laro ni Harold today na okay lang na nag-follow out siya na he did his job. And, nga, ganun nga ka-deep yung lineup natin na tingnan mo, Harold yan, nasa top 5 players natin yan, nawala. Okay lang, parang wala lang. Parang wala lang, nakip pa rin natin yung
Hindi ka kinabahan kahit napag-graduate si Harold. Diba?
Yun nga, like nothing against Harold yan
Oo.
Sadyang ganun kalakas yung team natin. Kaya yun, ganun kalakas yung team natin. Talagang tatargetin talaga tayo ng ibang schools
Kaya hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na, ay, itong team lang na to yung kalaban natin. Hindi. Kasi, hello, kanina nga andun si Topex eh.
Yun nga, like, with how good we are now, with how good we've been,
Wala pa silang game today.
everything to lose sa atin.
Oo.
Yung nakakalaban nating young team na yan, like, kahit wala pang mga team na wala pang panalo, can't really let our guard down kasi at the end of the day, they've got nothing to lose. Tayo, talagang pride na natin yun bilang undefeated pa tayo. So, yeah.
Tsaka hindi talaga pwedeng mag-relax kasi yung momentum ng ibang team, for example yung UE, parang nung first few episodes nila film, hindi ko alam kung sino sa kanila ni Enzo yung wala yung UE sa top 4. Parang ganun.
Pero ngayon, biglang diba?
Oo. Parang sinasabi nga ni
Nasa
Film
talks na sila.
itong previous episode, parang mas maganda na yung laro ng UE compared sa UP. Compared sa parang yung momentum.
Relatively.
Kasi
Oo.
puro hard-earned games yung last few nila.
Especially yung Lasal talaga.
Oo.
Sorry ilang araw, last week pa yun pero
Maraming gusto sabihin eh.
grabe talaga yung game na yun. Ang sakit sa mata panoorin pero ang saya.
Oo. Yun ba yung inalisan natin? Tama ba?
Umuwi ako mga
Oo.
Umuwi ako mga ganun. Pero-
Kala namin ni Ate Sam matatalo yung UE eh.
Sorry guys, commercial lang ng Lasal UE game. Ang ganda kasi talaga nung pinakita ng UE nun. Doon ko lang nalaman ng hindi pala abate pala yun. Ayun, going back to
Sige.
yung game ngayon. Kung tingnan mo yung per quarter scores, similar pattern din dun sa Adamson game. Lamang UST 23-16 sa first quarter. Tapos next few quarters, tayo na yung lamang by at least 5. Na sabi mo kung lamang lang, kung baliktarin mo lang sana yung score ng first quarter. One of those quote-unquote boring games na lang sana to. Na, yun nga, ako honestly, when you're a good team, ayokong pinaprove mong magaling. I mean, hindi ko sinasabing sinasadya or anything, and nothing like that. Pero if you're a good team, ayokong napuprove yun na magaling ka dahil nakakahabol ka. You don't want that. Hindi naman sa pangit. Like, nice, nakakahabol. Pero, hindi sana kanina pa tayo tapos, di ba?
Oo.
So, yun nga, hanggang fourth quarter to, tatrabaho ka.
At saka kung ganyan ka-talented yung team mo, sana hindi mo maabot sa
Exactly,
ganitong situation.
Exactly, oo.
Ganun, parang ganyan.
Parang sa pag-aaral lang yan, di ba? Na, kung nagsimula ka na mag-aaral ngayon, hindi mamaya,
Hindi ka sana
ganun
nagkakram.
kadami. Oo. Yun nga. Kasi if you look back at yung season 82 ba yun? Yung
Championship ba yun?
Hindi, yung natalo tayo ng UST sa Final Four.
Okay.
Yun,
Si,
comparable yung talent
Subido.
level. I mean, comparable yung talent level, depth hindi Kasi ngayon, yung depth natin, grabe, sobrang deep ng lineup natin. Noon, yung talent ng top players natin, parang ganun yung pag kinombine mo yung talent ngayon, parang ganun. On paper, sobrang galing na team, pero
before pandemic.
Yun nga, comeback warriors tayo nun, di ba?
Oo.
Doon nagsimula yung cardiac UP.
Oo.
Kaya ayun ngayon na ngayon na we have a much more efficient lineup if I may. Siyempre, sana gusto nating mas mabawasan yung mga ganung comeback games na siyempre, kung tambakan mo agad yung kalaban mo, edi nakapagpahinga ka na before pa matapos yung game, di ba? Pero yun, games like this na in-expect naman ng lahat na mananalo ang UP, pero nung second half pa siguro yun na naging solid talaga. Mananalo tayo. Like with a team this talented, you gotta kailangan mas sure yung panalo, di ba? Kasi hindi pa natin nakakalaban yung Lasal niya na Sunday yun. So pakita tayo guys Sunday Kailangan we need all the support we can get for the boys.
Una sa lahat, magpakita sana yung tickets.
Ayun din, oo nga. Kung may tickets kayo, yun lang kami. Nahihirapan din kami maghanap eh. Kaya ano pa?
Meron ka pa ba? Ako, okay na ako eh.
Parang,
Comments.
ayun.
Individual players.
Classic games from Harold, Francis, Terence being the spark off the bench. Si Jerry, could have played better, honestly, in my opinion. Not medyo malamig din si Jerry ngayon. Ayan, Jerry went 3 of 9. Pero okay lang, like, you live and die with players like that. If they're missing and you lose because they're missing, okay lang. Game plan natin yun eh. Sino pa? Jan played with a lot of energy today. Ayan, sina Jacob, sina Raylan na Raylan played 16 minutes din si Raylan ngayon.
105.
Ayan, sina Jacob na hindi masyado nakapaglaro dahil foul trouble, pero ilang minutes si Jacob? 9 minutes? Jacob played 9 minutes 21 seconds, pero ramdam mo yung presence ni Jacob. Actually, honestly, hindi. Kasi sa depensa siya eh. Pero kita mong...
Sa scoring you mean?
Sa scoring, 0 points si Jacob ngayon. Yes.
Tsaka, ang inaabangan ko lagi sa kanya, 3 points, wala at tempo.
Pero yun nga, like, yung intangibles talaga of the game, kita mong he defended his heart out against Nick Cabanero, which was vital in sealing the deal sa game na to. Sino pa? Yan si Aldous, huge spark off the bench. Again, konti lang din minutes ni Aldous, pero ramdam na ramdam mo siya. Tsaka, yun nga, from the guys you expect, sina Harold, Francis, great games from them as expected. And yun nga, si QMB, 8.7 rebounds, not really, not unlike yung previous game na nag 17 rebounds ba siya nun. Yung Boardman gets paid game niya, mas tahimik yun, pero still, if you watch him, so try nyo lang, like isang quarter siya lang papanoorin nyo, yung the way he battles with everybody else inside, na may times na tatlo yung kasabayan niya sa loob, tapos siya lang yung nakikipagbakbakan dun, tapos minsan siya pa yung nakakakuha ng bola. You really appreciate a player like that. So yeah, huge shout out to you QMB as well. Ano pa?
Okay na.
Kayo, may masasabi ba kayo?
Comment down below. Yan. Sana hindi na sila mag-comment sa ingay.
Oo nga, actually naisip ko nakapatong yung sana hindi rinig yung makina yun.
That's it for today. See you
Yes,
guys in the next game.
See you Sunday.
UP versus Lasal.
Mapa-live stream man or in person. Huwag kayong mahiya magpa-picture sa amin. Pipicturean namin kayo.
Yun.
And yeah, back to you, Fim.